In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a complete channel like this. If we check the stats of this channel, it is making $5.5 thousand per month, which is a handsome amount. So basically, he's using stock videos and images in his videos. Step number 1, write a script and paste the title of the video and press enter. It will start making the whole script for your video. You can change the script by adding some different prompts. This is your choice. Now, copy the script and save it on your laptop. Step number 2, select the channel name and picture. Type here a prompt according to your channel niches and press enter. Now select the name that you like. That looks good. I am selecting this one. You can generate more names if you want. Now back to the channel and save the name here in the branding section. Go to the Adobe Firefly for the channel picture and type here the prompt. For example, I am typing a prompt like this. You can change it. It's your choice. Select a picture among them. I like this one, so just download it and upload it in that branding section where we add channel's name before. Now we need channel's description and write a prompt here for the channel's description. As our channel is based on self-improvement, motivation, and psychological facts, so I type here a prompt related to our niche. Copy the text and paste it here. Your description is ready. Step number 3, voiceover and stock videos. Clipchamp is an online site where you can get free AI voiceovers, as many as you want. Put all your script here and choose the voice actor that you like, then simply drag and drop an audio and download it into your computer. After this, go on a free stock footage site and download relevant videos according to your script. Step number 4, captions. Go to Feed. Come and put your media here. Select the green image first because it will help to adjust captions in your editor software, and I will show you what I mean when we will do editing. Click on captions and then auto transcribe. Captions are created automatically, then you can change color. Choose the size and style. This is your choice. Now just download the captions video and move on to the next step. Step number 5, edit your video. Open your editing software and put all data in it. I'm showing you just rough example. You should choose complete stock videos for your editing. Put a green screen that is containing our captions on the upper layer and then remove the green color. See, our captions perfectly fit in the video. Step number 6. VidEQ is the best tool for YouTube SEO. Just paste your video's title here in the AU generator section. It will create a complete title, description, and tags, and also write a script for the video and automatically gives you a voice. Means all things in just one click, which is insane. Just put all this data in your uploading section on YouTube. Step number 7, thumbnail design. Canva is a great graphic designing tool. Click on Create Background Image and then drag and drop the images, whatever image you want. I am showing you just for example purposes. Adjust the image and then add some text here. The text should be eye-catching and attractive. Our thumbnail is ready. Simply download it to your computer. Now upload your thumbnail here, and congratulations, your video is completely ready with all its elements. Select video language and location before publishing the video, and then just click on Publish button. And here's the complete result.
Psychopathy is a complex personality disorder characterized by various behavioral patterns and traits. While it's important to note that not all individuals who exhibit...
Please like and subscribe the channel, and if you have any questions, then ask me in comment section.